we are already here in Paris. Bon appetit, bestie!
Our first stop today will be... Oh my gosh, nakikita ko na yung Eiffel Tower. Oh, God, look at the Eiffel Tower! Featured in real life. Look at that!
When I think about Paris, parang wow!
Oh my God! Ito na naman po kami, nabudol na naman kami. Goyard bag, 150 euro. Loewe bag, 300 euro.
Wala to sa Pilipinas.
Oh, yung color, it's so pretty.
Good morning mga madlang people in the whole wide world. It's already our last day here in Spain and later on magpaparis na kami. Goodbye Spain. Muchas gracias for everything. So later on, we will be taking the train from Barcelona to Paris already. That's around mga 1:30 PM yung pickup. Then 3:20 yata yung parang boarding time. Basta yung time, departure time from dito ng Barcelona to Paris. We will be arriving in Paris around mga 22 PM. I'll just put the details here. Take note, ang provided lang ni SMB Travel here is yung pick up and drop off sa station and yung tickets mo, train tickets from Barcelona to Paris. Yes po, magde-DIY po tayo na transfer to Paris. Hindi tayo magbabas, magpa-public train talaga tayo. And during the whole experience in the train, wala po tayong kasamang guide. Ang maganda naman here is, they are guiding you in their words. Bibigyan naman kami ng instructions later kung paano makasurvive sa station. Binigay na sa amin yung tickets in the train. We actually have this app, Europa Mundo. So, sa Europa Mundo, mga bestie ko, ito talaga yung talagang gumagalaw at nagbibigay ng tours sa inyo during your whole trip from Spain to Paris. So, they have this app and ma-access mo na lahat. Ayan, dito mo na makikita lahat ng details about your trip, itinerary, transfers, hotel, mga optional activities, ganun. So, andyan na yan lahat. Now, in-attach na rin nila yung aming train ticket for later. So, at least meron na kaming copy as early as now. Ayan. So, ganyan itsura niya. May QR code na. Tapos,
Yun lang naman
ayan
yung
siya.
kailangan mong ipakita.
Ito lang naman yung kailangan. No? So, ayan siya. Ayan. So, we took a taxi or Uber since it will just take us 15 minutes going to the town. Pag magko-commute kasi kami, it will take us 46 minutes going to our first destination. So, malaki yung matitipid if we're just gonna take an Uber. It's 19.85.
It's still the three of us. I don't think it could fit. You forgot? Dito na kami sa Barcelona Sands, which is the main station here in Barcelona. This is where we're gonna be riding. Let's go! Haggard na kagad ngayon pa lang. Sana hindi po ma-pickpocket at medyo aligagana po tayo today. Later on mga bestie ko, I'll update you. For now, mag-focus muna ako sa mga gamit ko. Bye-bye! Always check sa monitor para malaman kung saang via kayo. Via is parang platform, if I'm not mistaken. For us, we're going to Paris, 3:20. In WE, yung aming company. And yes, via 1 to 6. So, hanapin lang natin ang via 1 to 6. So, ayan, may mga signs naman. That's ours. Platforms 1 to 6. So, just follow the signs. Going there, let's go! Madaming tao dito mga bestie ko. So, ingat sa mga gamit! So, we're already here in the parang boarding area. As mentioned, platform 1 to 6 tayo. So, it's either here or pa straight. But right now, currently 2 PM, 1 hour before the departure nila i-announce kung saan exactly tayo magbo-board. So, we still have around 12 minutes to wait. So, while waiting, we will just find a decent restaurant. May restaurant actually here, tapos meron din here. Pero gusto namin ng mas mabigat sa tiyan. So maghahanap pa kami. Hindi ko alam kung may makahanap kami, but let's see. Ayan, so ang dami na po namin. Eh, ang aming ina. Ikaw ang Sana may KFC manifest with me, mga bestie ko. KFC. Or McDo. I'm loving it. I'm loving what I'm seeing. What? Language. English. Card order. Different cheese space. Use as an orange girly. Fine. So that's the goods. I ordered burger and parang side dish. We're going back to the waiting area. Pagod. Wala to sa Pilipinas. Chicken nuggets. Parang meron siyang cheddar sa loob. Then, ang maganda dyan, may extra cheddar pa. I love cheese. I'm a cheese girly. Ayan, oh my God. OMG. Cheese girly sa burger. Okay, so cheesy. Sana may ganito sa Pilipinas. This one as well, I think wala din sa nipis. Sa labas pa yung bacon, DIY pala. Wala din to sa Pilipinas. Look at that! Pero medyo manipis yung burger niya, but it's okay. Just put the bacon inside. Maganda dyan, again, meron tayong extra cheddar so you could dip it as well. Dip natin sa cheese. So mas masarap siya with the cheddar cheese. Sarap! So just follow the signs going to platform 6. So that's platform 6. Dito yung Kila. So maganda dito mga bestie ko. From nung nag-arrive kami, tuloy-tuloy na lang kami papasok because provided na po ni SMB Travel yung tickets namin. So may QR code na kami. So tuloy-tuloy na siya. So we're already here in the Riles. Nakakaloka ang mga person. So we're car number 17, meron namang parang, ayan, monitor on the side of the gates nung kayo mag-refer. Kahit hindi na ako nakapag-update. At hirap na hirap kaming galaw-galawin ang aming luggage. Wala na kasing luggage area over there. Then meron dito pero kailangan mong buhatin. I miss you, Carl.
Have I mentioned kung gaano katagal tong trip na to? But anyway, this is our ticket. This is our departure and this is our arrival. So, para kang nag-plane ride from Dubai to Madrid. Yung parang experience ko last time. Ganyan yung feeling. Parang bagot levels. The whole ride is actually very comfortable naman. The seats are okay. Ayan, as you can see, I could sit down properly, hindi awkward yung sa leeg. You can actually recline this if you want. Leg space, ang daming leg space. Kayang-kaya mo siyang i-stretch ng bonggang-bongga. May mga parang armrest din. There's a table where you could put your stuff. Kung gusto mo mag-laptop, kumain, pwede. Then, may socket. Isa nga lang though. May mga sabitan din on the side if may coat ka, ganon. Ngayon, inaantok na ko while I'm saying this. The whole ride is very comfortable. Actually, nag-edit lang ako ng vlog. In fairness, halos puno yung buong train. Ang hassle lang siguro sa buong experience was the boarding part because Tapos hawak-hawak mo yung bagahe mo, bubuhatin mo from the Riles to the train. And as a baby girl, usually si Carl yung gumagawa niyan. Tsaka yung paghahanap ng space for your luggage, yun talaga yung medyo parang haggard kami ni Tia nun kanina. But we survived it. During the whole ride, tulog lang, work. Tapos, there is actually a cafeteria or parang cafe area in this train which is located 3 cars away from us. So, 3 lipat lang naman. Yan yung tsura niya. This is the menu if ever you're curious. I ordered orange juice. Ayan. At saka water. Tagto 2.8 euro each. Tapos, may wifi din on board. Yun lang hindi siya giving. Yung data din, yung data mo din, which is yung personal data ko, on and off din siya. Hindi rin ako nakakapag social media most of the time, kaya nag-edit na lang ako ng vlog. Medyo may amoy. Kung unfortunate ka at mga seatmates mo may amoy, talagang kakalat siya sa area mo. Hindi kasi ganun kalamig yung aircon dito sa train. So, parang medyo kulob. Kaya talagang madali mo siyang maaamoy, bestie girls. But yeah, it's a nice experience. Comfortable naman talaga siya. Inaantok lang talaga ako. It's already 9:30 p.m. Dating namin is 1 hour pa. Then we're gonna be transferring to our hotel. So medyo late na talaga yung dating namin. Tapos tomorrow, early call time. Laban. Cheers.
We're already here in the station. May mag-meet sa amin na guide from SMB or Europa Mundo. Ka-textmate ko na siya kanina and sabi niya punta daw kami sa Hall 1. So hinahanap na lang namin yung Hall 1 right now. Ang ginaw ng Paris, mga bestie girls. It's giving winter vibes.
Yes po mga bestie ko, we are already here in Paris. Nakaraos na po tayo sa Madrid, sa Barcelona, sa Zaragoza, and Poblet Abbey. And now we are here in Paris. We will be staying for 5 days. So very excited kami! Before anything else, let me share with you our experience last night in traveling from Barcelona to Paris. Let's go! Ayan, you already saw our experience last night. Grabe, sobrang parang challenge talaga kami ni Universe as a tita ourselves. Parang talagang na-miss namin yung mga uyab namin during this time. And also pala, last night, hindi pala nakasama sa video. Medyo nashaselan kaming hanapin yung aming pick-up driver. Supposedly, when we arrive in the train, a guide will meet us para i-guide kami sa driver. Then from the driver, we will be dropped off in our hotel. But then, ang nangyari is, ewan ko ba, yung mga ibang kasama namin, paglabas na may arrivals area sa train station, ando na yung guide nila. But for us, kailangan pa namin hanapin yung guide. And ayan, yung mga conversations namin talagang parang pinapaikot-ikot kami. And at some point, I'm sorry, medyo pumitik na rin ako na parang, ano na ba nangyayari ngayon? Where are you? I also message Europa Mundo and hindi actually sila masyadong helpful yung time na yun. Parang mas na bad trip pa sila sa akin kasi nga, bad trip na ako sa driver. But anyway, ang pinakamaganda dun is, after almost an hour, may nagsundo na sa amin. Finally. Then we already checked in our hotel. We are here in H4 Hotel, Windham. Kung makikita niyo mga bestie ko, reception pa lang, ang ganda no! Sobrang ganda na mafe-feel mo yung pagka-maaliwalas na vibe. Gusto ko yung mga ganito eh. Then when you go inside your room, bam! This is actually my favorite hotel of all the hotels I stayed for the past days. Ang ganda, as you can see. Pwede kang mag-zumba sa laki niya, di ba? Then we have 2 single beds. Ang lambot ng kama, I swear. As in, parang yung unan doon, medyo parang alanganin yung pagkalambot. Pero okay siya. Ang shower area, ang ganda. Kung makikita nyo yung lababo, ang ganda mga bestie ko. Yung lighting, it's really giving. Then the toilet, basic lang pero ang laki din. So ayan, di ba? Ang laki niya, nakakatuwa. And the next day we're here, we're supposed to have a tour with SMB. It's already 9:30 a.m. and hindi pa kami ready. So obviously, hindi kami nakapunta kasi nga pagod na pagod. na kami mga besh. And ayun nga, medyo sinisinat din si Tia, so ayaw talaga naming i-push masyado yung mga ganap dito sa Paris. We're gonna be staying here for 5 days, so we have a lot of time to, roam around naman. So we didn't go, but for your reference mga bestie ko, ito yung supposedly na gagawin namin. We're supposed to go to Versailles. I think we're also gonna be doing a city tour around Paris using a bus. Hindi siya yung walking tour. So, ayan yung mga places. But, don't worry mga bestie ko. Most of them we will still hit, but DIY na lang kami, alright? I will be sharing yung mga places to visit, yung mga yan, mga Instagrammable spots on the next minutes of this vlog. So, abangan nyo na lang. So, yes, we are here in Paris. Did you know, mga bestie ko, this is the most visited cities in the world. Ganon, siya ka trendy, kasikat, and I think when you were young, I'm not sure with you, but ako nung bata ako, parang when I think about Paris, parang wow, it's a girl's dream to be in Paris. So, diba? And ang dami mga movies about Paris, so Paris is really the thing. So, later on mga bestie ko, after ng tour, pag uwi namin, I will discuss with you yung mga immigration tips, yung airport guidelines, best areas to stay here in Paris. Since hindi namin siya na-experience ourselves, but I did my research, so I got you. I just shot.
No Broke Boys. I'm playing on Spotify. This is what I got. Sausage, bacon, potato, eggs. Ayan, kanin with, ano nga to, beans. Tapos merong ganito na, another sausage. Tsaka cold cuts. Croissant. Yeah. And cheese. Yeah. Bon appetit! Bon appetit, mga bestie. Oh my God. Rhyming siya. Bon appetit, bestie. Gutom na gutom ako. Grabe, ang lambot ng kison. Nagmamelt na lang siya sa bibig mo. Sana hindi pa ako mabusog agad-agad kasi ang sarap ng food. Okay, kanin time. Kakaiba yung kanin nila dito. Para siyang maninipis. But the sausage is so good. Oh my God. Ang sarap ng sausage, guys.
Our first stop today will be the Arc de Triomphe. Oh my God, so beautiful. Alam mo yun, nasa gitna lang siya ng daan, pero it's so majestic. Look at that! Oh my gosh, nakikita ko na yung Eiffel Tower. Ayan siya! So, this is the rooftop of Galerie Lafayette. Libre lang to, so you can just go to the topmost floor of Galerie Lafayette. Then, ayan na yung view nyo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Cute. Oh my God, look at the Eiffel Tower. You know that you're already in Paris if you saw this little pretty little thing. Parang keychain lang siya, oh. Oh my God, keychain in real life. Oh my God! Ito na naman po kami, nabudol na naman kami. And this time,
Happy
vintage-
Budol! It's a happy Budol!
Vintage bag! Oh my gosh! Imagine! Goyard bag, 150 euro. Loewe bag, 300 euro. Prada bag, 100 euro? What the heck? Although, kailangan nilang ng cash, hindi sila tumatanggap ng card. Okay, we're coming back, so we're gonna really take it. Totoo ba to? So for context mga bestie ko, we just randomly saw this flea market in front of this ayan o, landmark. And sobrang cute niya. Ang daming mga parang vintage items and all. And we're supposed to ride the metro. Ayan yung metro, somewhere here. Ito na yung end. Then dito po kami nabudol, just right here before matapos ang aming journey.
So, mga bestie ko, we visited Pollen here in Le Bon Marche. Usually, sa Paris ka lang makakahanap ng Pollen. Here in Europe, tama ba? Or I don't know, parang limited lang yung Pollen dito sa Europe. Ay, yung mga countries. Usually here in Paris, mahaba talaga yung pila. But tip, go to Le Bon Marche, walang masyadong pila. Like, she just waited less than 10 minutes and nakapasok na sila. So, wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga Pollen finds inside. Let's go. Parang sobrang nice nito, bestie ko. Ayan o. These are their new colors, but it's not available. It's sold out everywhere. 480 euro. Tignan mo yung color. It's so pretty. This one is 420. Wow. This one is 540. Not bad, diba? For Pollen, ha? And ang ganda ng leather niyan. Super nice. So, 390, 390, 480. Ayan o. And now, the day has already come. Ito na po yung minamanifest ko since first vlog natin. Yung sinasabi kong pinag-iipunan ko for the longest time. I think bibilin ko na po siya.
A few moments later.
So yes mga bestie ko, I finally did it. I finally purchased my first ever Rimowa luggage. So bumili ako ng small and I also bought the large one. Hindi ako nakapag-film for this vlog, but I created a reel about my whole experience, yung prices ng mga choices ko, yung colors, and basically also how to refund yung inyong tax refund kasi you're entitled to 12% tax refund. So, andyan na rin yan sa reel. Kakailaw lang niya! Oh my God! I'm crying again! So this is Notre Dame, my bestie! Ganda! Oh my God!
So for Latina! Let's go!
Paris! May mga sumisigaw!
So So yung mga bestie ko, nag-hop on, hop off na lang kami na bus ni Chia.